Meaning of hermetic.
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 Hermetic. The word hermetic refers to something that is completely airtight or sealed, preventing any air or gases from entering or escaping. It can also refer to something that is esoteric, mysterious, or difficult to understand, often associated with the teachings of the ancient Greek philosopher Hermes Trismegistus. This concept has been incorporated into various philosophical and spiritual traditions and has come to be associated with the idea of hidden knowledge, secrets, and occult practices. In contemporary usage, the term is often used to describe something that is isolated or insulated from the outside world.